What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I am back at this new addition. We are up on the roof. We're standing on a couple LVLs here. Well, actually 4 of them here. We got 4 here, 4 there, a double down there, a double here, and then right here is the stairwell. The stairs are going to go down like that. You'll land right here. There is about a 6-inch cantilever on the front here, and they're starting to get all the TJIs up here. Those are going to become the new first floor ceiling beams, because the entire first floor is going to get ripped out, and ceilings are getting moved up to 9 feet, which is why we made all of these crippler walls, which they threw in first thing this morning around the entire outside, and then a couple interior ones as well. So we have quite a bit of work to do here. The entire first floor ceiling is getting dropped, except I believe the bathroom here, and actually I think it's the bathroom and that room. Dad, that ceiling's staying 8 feet, right? That room?
That's good. Just the bathroom.
Oh, just the bathroom. That room ceiling's coming down. Okay, so just the bathroom, which is right below me here, is staying 8-foot ceiling, so we're not touching that. But the ceiling beams around the entire rest of the house are gonna have to get dropped down and taken out of here. So we're gonna get the deck done first up here, and we might even frame the walls and the roof and everything, and then drop the first floor ceiling around the entire house, because that is quite a project alone by itself. So there's a lot of work here, but we're making good progress. It is a beautiful day here in New York, probably about 75 or 80 degrees here, and we're gonna keep working through the end of the day and see how far we can get. Hopefully we can get all these TJIs in, and then tomorrow we'll continue. But I'm gonna set this camera up while we get to work, and we'll see how far we get. All right, guys, it is about 6:30. We're just about to get cleaned up. We're trying to get as much plywood as we can down before there is no more daylight, but we got a good jump on today. We got all of the crippler walls in, all of the LVLs in, all of the TJIs in, and obviously some of the plywood is going down. But let's climb downstairs real quick. And barely squeeze through here right now. So now you understand why the staircase is no longer going to be there. You can see the opening right here. See the new hallway framed in down here. So both staircases, first floor and second floor, will be stacked right here. But we got a very nice jump on this house today. All the, well, not all of it, a couple bays there with some spray foam in them still. That stuff is a pain to deal with. These don't matter because this whole wall's getting knocked out. Same with this wall. But move on outside here. We just moved all the material into the yard here. The delivery guy dropped it down by where we're parking all of our trucks over there, and we had to shuffle it. There is a couple LVLs we left over there that are, I think they're 20 feet long, maybe even longer, I'm not exactly sure. But we're pretty much done for the day. I don't know. Oh, looks like it's sending a couple more things up there. I have these, I guess they're pallets. They're like plastic pallets. I peeked through here before. Don't really know why we have these, but they're going to my father's house, so I'm gonna get out of here, go drop these off, and call it a day. That's gonna wrap it up for this one. Tomorrow we'll be back here getting more done on this house. If you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hope you guys enjoyed it.